have to worry about this anymore. Okay. Okay. Brakes are set, fuel set to both, trim set for takeoff.
Murfreesboro traffic, Seminole 128 Mike Tango, left base 36 Murfreesboro.
Flight controls, left side up, right side down, right side up, left side down, elevator up, elevator down. Alright. Here comes sun. Silly sun. Alright, mixture set for best power. Instruments, RPMs look good. Emitters good. PSI is good. Airspeed's good. Primer is locked. Going to 17. Testing right. About 100 RPM drop. Back over. Testing left. Little less. Back over. Repeat.
For traffic, 129 Mike Tango, square the active taxi to the right.
About 100. Back in. Vacuum is green. Amps volts. Good. Oil pressure is green. Oil temp's green. Idle check close. Alright. Throttle friction's good. Going back to 10. Alright, run up checklist complete.
Alright.
Murfreesboro traffic, Skyhawk 734 Sierra Echo, taxiing from run up area to runway 36 Murfreesboro. Alrighty.
Our strobe shouldn't be on right now. Go to left.
Oh.
Go to left. There's someone there.
Going left, I've never gone this way before. This will be new.
Oh, really?
Yep.
It's the way. I'll slow it down here.
Yep.
I wish I had a window in this plane.
You and your love of your own windows.
Yeah. The luxury.
First attack, Seminole 128 Mike Tango, clear runway 36, taxi back to ramp of the truck.
What do they sound like? I was going to ask what your plans are for the weekend, but then I realized, oh wait, weekend's over.
Yep, weekend is over.
Pressing.
Kind of is, yeah.
I have Mondays off though, so it's fun. I've withheld that because I've had flights that I could have done on today or Monday, and I'm like, not going to do it. Got to give myself a break. Although I did have Saturday off for my graduation, but I had to wake up early to go, so no flying on Mondays.
By the way, what are we doing today?
We're just going to do stalls and then land, stuff like that.
How about we land after the stalls have been recovered?
Yes.
Murfreesboro traffic, 586 Mike Tango, taxiing from the run-up area to runway 36. Murfreesboro.
It will be long again one day. It will.
One day, when I'm awfully low, when the world is so, I will feel a glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight.
Very nice.
Yeah. Okay, pre-takeoff, flaps are up. Mixture is for best power. Carb heat's off. Heading indicator set to compass. Just a little off. Alright, squawking 12. Doors and windows. Ah, there we go. Oh. Okay. Landing light and strobe on. Time note, brakes released. So final is clear, base looks clear. Alright, so we're departing where?
We'll depart the downwind to the southwest.
Southwest. Murfreesboro traffic, Skyhawk 734 Sierra Echo, departing runway 36 for the southwest off the downwind. Murfreesboro.
Alrighty, let's do this.
Let's do this now.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Let's do it now. Get to the chopper. I mean, the plane.
I don't think I've ever watched a full movie of him.
What? Oh my gosh, that's blasphemous. You must be deported.
Yep. Please deport me. I'd be happy not be here anymore.
Oh, don't be that way. That's just mean.
Deport me to Canada or Australia. Now we're talking.
Alright, we're on the center line. Feet, heels into the floor. Instruments look green. Alright, full power.
I may move to Canada, actually, at some point.
Well, as long as it's not in the next few months, we're okay.
No.
Instruments are green. Airspeed's alive. Rotate. Tap brakes. Ooh, right rudder, right rudder, right rudder. Little bit of trim. There we go. Hazy day.
Yeah, it really is. Was earlier. That's a nice house. Its own pond.
That's a school.
Huh?
That's a school.
What are you talking about? Wait, no, it's not.
Alright. Gonna start the crosswind. Murfreesboro traffic, Skyhawk 734 Sierra Echo on the left crosswind for 36 Murfreesboro.
Murfreesboro traffic, 586 Mike Tango is taking off runway 36, Murfreesboro.
Son, get out of my face.
I'll tell her downwind.
Murfreesboro traffic, Skyhawk 734 Sierra Echo, left downwind for 36 Murfreesboro.
Once we're being the 1,000 footers, we can depart out to the southwest and continue to climb.
Alright, well, we're being 1,000 footers.
Tony Town, we're departing the downwind to the southwest.
Murfreesboro traffic, Skyhawk 734 Sierra Echo, departing the downwind for to the southwest, Murfreesboro.
And we'll continue. We'll climb up to 45.
45, full power. What bearing do you want me on?
240 is fine.
Okay. 240.
Murfreesboro traffic, 586 Mike Tango is making a right crosswind departure out to the east.
Right crosswind? Are you allowed to do that?
Yeah, you can do that. Because she's departing. She could have just said she's departing the upwind to the east, but... Because technically, I'm super technical about that. If you continue an arc east, you're not staying on a crosswind, are you?
No.
But if you go right, straight, perpendicular right that way, then yeah, you're on a right crosswind, I guess.
Yeah.
But usually you turn out, you curl out. For me, you're departing off that upwind to go where you want to go.
You say 45?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully it's not too hazy to do these maneuvers.
Well, yeah, it is pretty hazy.
I still want to go to that fun park. Is that it?
Which fun park?
Go USA Fun Park. I see a race track.
I can't really get a good eye on it from right here. But you've never been?
No. I like racing.
You like to go fast.
I have a need for speed.
Alright, Top Gun.
I wish I could be a race car driver. I think it'd be fun.
Not me. Of course, I drive a Mustang, but you know.
I drive a Mustang, you know.
You know, I drive a Mustang. It is nice. Yeah.
I drive a Hyundai. Hyundai. Is that a commercial?
No.
Has to be, because why else would I know that? Hyundai.
Because it sounds like Sunday, and that's a commercial. Sunday.
Oh.
My gosh.
For what?
You know those old monster truck commercials, you know, this Sunday, monster truck griller.
Well, I say Hyundai. My car.
I'm so glad we're recording all of this for posterity.
There's a little beach right there.
You get up here and you realize how much construction is happening in Murfreesboro.
Yeah.
Passing 35.
Can't see anything.
Man, it's hazy.
Yeah.
Gotta be what, 5 square mile visibility, something like that?
Well, this reporting is not what it's doing, I bet.
Yeah.
Never is.
I'm trying to keep an eye out for traffic. Make sure there's no glinting metal pieces up here.
Yeah, it's been slow today.
Well, better knock on wood. Man, I really can't see the horizon.
You can start turning south.
Turning south, 180.
Yeah, it's a little difficult to see. Oh, it kind of messes up. Maybe if we turn east, we can see it a little bit better.
Alright, turning east, 090.
Can you see horizon better that way?
Murfreesboro traffic, 586 Mike Tango is about 4 miles east of the field, maneuvering at 3,500 Murfreesboro.
Why is she maneuvering so close to the field?
I don't know. Why don't you ask her?
Yo, girl, don't maneuver so close to the field.
Yo, girl, what you doing? You know?
Okay, turn to heading of like 120.
Back over to 120 and leveling off.
130 maybe.
One 30. Pulling power to 23. Setting trim.
Alright, so it kind of blends, but feel a little bit better. Alright, so we'll do a clearing turn. We'll do one to the right.
Alright.
So about heading of 230. So 90 degrees right, and then we'll do 90 degrees left.
Okay. 230.
Hyundai. Stuck in my head.
Negative visual on anything. Alright, coming up on 230, leveling out, and kicking back over to 130. Little left rudder there. There we go. Oh, we're climbing.
So watch that altitude in our turns.
Yeah, we're climbing. There we go, that's better.
3 miles north of the field, 3,000 feet, descending, entering left downwind runway 36.
Alright. So you can go ahead and tell them we're about 8.5 miles. Almost going to be south. You can say south at 4,500 maneuvering.
Murfreesboro traffic, Chicago 734 Sierra Echo, 8.5 miles to the south, maneuvering at 4,500 Murfreesboro.
Alright. So, horizon's a little hard to see today, but
Yeah.
we'll go ahead and do power off stall.
Okay, so if I remember correctly, I keep level while pulling to idle, and then I add flaps.
Yeah.
While keeping up to stall speed.
So you'll pull this to like 16?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then once you have all your flaps, you pull it to idle and continue to push the nose up to induce the stall.
So going to 16 and
So
going
we'll
full
stay on
carb
that.
heat.
Yeah, make sure we're staying on our heading. We can stay on 140.
140. Add a little. There we go. And first notch flaps. Next notch flaps.
Power to idle.
Power to idle.
Staying on the heading, staying coordinated.
Full power. Carb heat in. Flaps up.
Remember to use the flaps when you get positive rate
Oh, sorry.
on the VSI. It's okay. Alright, pretty good. So maybe next time don't wait so long to put the second notch flaps in.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
We'll try it again.
Alright. Pulling back to 16. Carb heat.
Staying on our heading of 150.
Yeah, drifted a little bit on all that. Okay. First notch flaps. And second notch flaps. Pulling to idle.
Carb heat.
Carb heat.
Okay, the needle's going up so you can put the flaps up. Okay, let's go and try power on stall.
Power on stall, okay.
So go ahead and turn east.
Alright.
Okay. Good job staying coordinated though.
Thanks. East. Okay.
So we're going to stay on our heading of east and we're going to stay on 4,500, okay?
Alright.
Remember how to do the power on stall?
You go to 1600.
Uh-huh.
You add flaps.
No flaps. Remember the simulator stalling going
you go to
takeoff.
1600 until it gets,
343 is the
rotate speed
to the south.
and then you add full power and keep pulling back.
Okay, hon. Right, so traffic, Scott 7340 echoes 12 miles to the southeast, maneuvering at 4,500 Murfreesboro. Okay.
So, go to 1600, pull the yoke back until you get to rotate speed.
Huh?
Then you add full power, maintaining that rotate speed.
Or you keep
pulling back.
Yeah, until you stop, but very smoothly, okay?
Alright. Alright, going to 16. And pulling back. Trying to stay coordinated.
So you're really trying to do it to maintain altitude. You don't want to go past the altitude, right?
Oh.
So we'll just say 46, okay? Stay on that heading. East. Got rotate speed there?
Close to it, yeah. Full power.
Smoother on that pitch up. Not so much, not so much. There we go. About 20 degrees, there you go. Now continue pitch up. Keeping wings level. On that heading.
Oop.
Okay. So remember, if your nose goes to the side, use the rudders, not the wings, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try it again. Alright, so whenever you're ready, let me pull out some more power to get to 45, right? You bring that nose down, get us to 45, right? Nose down. That's gonna get us back to 45, right?
Oh. I thought you were wanting to start the...
Oh, no, I'm just trying to get us set up on our altitude.
Just 647.
Alright, so level up at 4,500 on the heading of the east, okay? Now these, you need to maintain this heading the whole time and the 45 while we're setting us up in the maneuver, okay? So whenever you're ready, 4,500 on the east.
traffic, Diamond 588 Mike Tango at the 45 for runway 36, Murfreesboro traffic.
This is much better.
But I'm gaining altitude.
That's okay. Keep pitching the nose up. Stay on that E. Okay. Yeah, pitch the horizon. And good, you used your rudder that time. That was much better. Yeah. That was much better. See how it works?
Yeah.
Okay. Think you got it, or do you need to do one more?
I think I've got it for today.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure it's going to take time to practice and master it, but...
Alright, so we'll go ahead and, let's see, let's do... Ooh.
Engine failure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh,
so
man.
pitching for 65.
Murfreesboro traffic, Diamond 588 Mike Tango turning downwind for runway 36.
Using trim. Alright, so, okay, we've pitched for best glide speed, looking for a good area to land. Wind's coming out of the north, so we could use this area over here as a landing, turn on a downwind.
Yeah, okay.
Gonna check mags, carb heat out, change fuel selector, no change. Gonna go ahead and squawk to 121, or squawk 7700 and go 121.5. Mayday, 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 Skyhawk 734 Sierra Echo. Engine failure, attempting to land 9 miles to the south of Murfreesboro. Send search and rescue. Going to turn for a downwind approach, looking for the best area.
Also thinking about our altitude, because we're at 35 here, right?
Yeah.
So we could either spiral down or just really try to lose all this altitude. Or you could still look for it.
I really like that spot right there. See how long and narrow and short the grass is right there?
Right here?
Yeah, not the green, but the pale green past it. You see what I'm saying? It looks,
I do.
So I'm going to go ahead and fix my trim to pitch down and going to approach it like a downwind. Going to need to lose altitude, so adding flaps. Alright, so we're at almost 3,000. I'm going to do a extended downwind. Yeah, I really like that selection. That looks like a good area. Alright, we're passing through 3,000. Continuing to drop. I'm going to go ahead and turn base, holding the nose up, bleed off some of that power. Passing close to 2,500 now. Alright, lined up, there it is right there. We're 2,500, coming down still. If we get to 2,000 and I'm not lined up on final yet, I may pull the flaps up.
Pulling flaps up isn't going to help you.
Okay. Never mind then. Alright, turning final. So you see which I'm picking out here?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so we're at 2,000, and I very well think I can make that, because I still have 2 notches of flaps to use. I can slip.
Yep.
And it looks like it'll be not a lot of obstruction. I don't see any fences or power lines or anything. We're at at 2,000 now.
Could pitch up if you think we're getting too low. See what happens if you pitch your up a little more. It'll give us a little more altitude here.
Yeah.
Shelby Bill traffic, Cessna 46518, 10 miles to the east. We're going to be coming in.
Oh, look at that.
We're shooting the 18
Okay.
VOR.
You just keep going north.
There we go.
Alright.
You ever made that?
Yeah, although now that I'm closer, I see it's actually got crops in it.
Yeah.
So it would have been a little rough, but we could have made it.
Yeah. This one just has like some, I don't know. If you have many fields in front of you, you can always change it, right?
Yeah, exactly. Alright. You want an altitude? Any particular altitude?
Just go to 25 and go ahead and start turning to 330.
330.
And I want you to put Murfreesboro in the GPS.
And fixing my trim.
Chris, I've got you.
Okay, so we're about to go back to Murfreesboro, so why don't you tell me what we need to do to get back?
In regards to the GPS?
Just everything, just a flight.
Okay, well, in order to get back, we see it's due north of us here. If we want to follow the GPS track north, we turn slightly and we can zoom in on here. Which one's the zoom in? Range, yeah.
So that's zoom out, the down button zoom
right,
in.
yeah, there we go.
Okay.
So yeah, so we can turn gently until this gets to the crosshairs and then follow it all the way back.
Okay.
Also, we know Murfreesboro is north of us, so a northerly heading will take us to familiar landmarks.
Yeah. Okay, so what other things should we do if we're coming in to land at an airport?
Call out our position.
Yeah, well, maybe listen to the weather.
Oh, right. Well, yeah, there you go.
Please conduct all engine run-ups at the designated areas on the east side of the ramp. Please turn your tail and flap the grass, not your neighbor.
Murfreesboro Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 0, 0, 0, Niner Zulu. Wind 0, 3, 0 at 8 knots. Visibility Niner. Sky condition few at 5,000. Temperature 2, Niner Celsius. Dew point 2, 0 Celsius. Altimeter 3, 0, 0, 3 inches of mercury. Remarks density altitude 2, 5, 0, 0.
Alright. Altimeter is set, and runway is still going to be 36.
Just go straight for a second, Jared.
So something I would recommend in flight is actually keeping it on 2 frequencies. Like if it was, okay, so today it doesn't really matter, it's not busy. But if it was busier, you'd want to keep that one up in case you heard some alert, you know? Like that. You know what I'm saying? So you have both, you can listen to both at the same time.
I see.
Shelbyville says transition.
Go ahead and switch us back to Murfreesboro.
Southeast to south.
There's a quarry. What road is this, do you know?
I think that's, isn't that Manchester Highway?
70 South. I don't know if that's Manchester Highway.
It heads out to like Sparta, Tennessee and whatnot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woodbury, which I think is right there.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, let's kind of intercept this a little more here.
Oh, yep.
So I want you to think about what runway we're going to use and how we'd enter to land this airport.
Say that one more time.
What runway we're going to use and how we're going to enter to land that runway.
Well, we're doing runway 36, so we're going to need to go around on the left side of the runway and come at a northerly approach for the 45.
Okay.
Pretty sunset.
It's not sunsetting yet.
Pretty sunset.
Hey, it's my rib.
Oh no, it's my rib. Oh, man. Looking forward forward to seeing how this video comes out with the sound and everything.
Yeah, it'll be entertaining.
I'll have to edit it and upload some short clips to your Facebook page.
No!
Yep.
I'll mute it.
Alright.
So it's easy, but be looking out for features that you'll be able to help us pinpoint where our airport is.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Nice.
I think I have eyes on the airport dead ahead. Rectangular area right above. Either that or it's the Joby Jackson buildings.
I think it's a little more this way.
Okay, that might be the Joby Jackson buildings.
That might be the rock quarry, actually. I think what you see is a quarry, and I think to the left of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's really hard to see up here.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the quarry. So I'd recommend just following this road straight now.
Right, okay.
Unless you want to enter crossover midfield.
No, we'll do it the other way. Do it the way I was talking about.
Yep.
Cruise checklist. Yep, cruise checklist. Pull this out a little bit. Instruments, heading indicator to compass. Actually, that looks pretty good. It's a little recessed, but...
So we're at 3,000, and we're getting close here.
Yep.
What are some things we should be doing?
Ascent checklist. Mixture richen. Fuel set to both. Carb heat is not needed. AWAS has been checked. Altimeter is set. Instruments heading indicator has been set back to compass. And pre-landing. Landing light is... oops, we never turned off the landing light or the strobe
We are
light.
maneuvering, and strobes stay on during the whole flight.
Okay, well then they're on, so that's good. Best power. Carb heat's not needed yet. Fuel sets both. Flaps is not needed. So, descent checklist, pre-landing checklists are complete. Descending to... Descending to... Carb heat out. We're going to descend to 16. Set trim. There we go. I really like the trim wheel now that I'm used to it.
Yeah, it's helpful.
Yeah, it really helps me out. It's really helped my landings too.
Really? Yeah, I mean, it eliminates a lot of the workload.
Yeah, it does.
Right over the hospital.
Well, hey, if we fell out of the sky, at least we'd land in a helpful place.
But yeah.
Excuse me. I see Smyrna. Hell, I see Percy Priest from all the way up here.
Uh-huh.
Isn't that kind of weird? Like a 45-minute drive, but from up here it looks like it's just right there.
It is weird.
The world is so small.
I'm gonna get Asian food tonight.
Hey, I think you should get Asian food tonight. What do you think?
No.
Fine.
Yeah, I brought a microwave meal, and I don't want that.
Alrighty. So we're going to add power here in a minute. And we're going to start our 45 soon. Leveling out. Adding power. And setting trim. Alrighty. And we'll start the 45 here in a minute. Murfreesboro traffic, Skyhawk 734 Sierra Echo, maneuvering for the 45, 3 miles out for 36 Murfreesboro.
I'm at 586, Mike Tango Ops.
I think you put in that.
586 my Tango, 66493.
What?
Can you come up on Blue Raider?
What are they talking about?
And Murfreesboro traffic, helicopter 46 Alpha Echo, 10 miles to the northwest, 2000, we're southeast bound. We passed in about 2 miles to the west of the airfield.
Where did they say they were?
10 miles to the north.
Oh. Tell them we're on a 2.5 mile 45.
Murfreesboro traffic, Skyhawk 734 Sierra Echo on a 2.5 mile 45 for 36 Murfreesboro. Would you mind holding these for me? Getting a little dark.
I don't like these things. There.
Thanks. Alright, altitude's good. I turn on the downwind right now. Murfreesboro traffic, Skyhawk 734 Sierra Echo, left downwind for 36 Murfreesboro. And I'm going to go ahead and go to 20, pull carb heat, which is already out. Alrighty. Beam the 1,000 footers, pulling to 16. First notch flaps, pitching for 80. Murfreesboro traffic, Skyhawk 734 Sierra Echo, left base for 36 Murfreesboro.
And Murfreesboro traffic, helicopter 46 Alpha Echo, now 5 miles west, 2000, southeast bound Murfreesboro.
Next notch flaps. Right on 70. Feels like I'm slipping.
Remember, keep your hand on the throttle the whole time.
Yeah. I literally was just about to reach for it when you said that. Gonna add a little power. Alrighty. Murfreesboro traffic, Skyhawk 734 Sierra Echo, final for 36 Murfreesboro. Pulling the power back out a little bit. Feel like I'm high, I'm gonna pull that power out some more.
Murfreesboro traffic, 586 Mike Tango is 3 miles southeast of the field. I'm maneuvering for the 45 runway 36 Murfreesboro.
Alright.
Hey! Full stop?
Yeah.
Full stop. Getting better.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, it's up here a little ways. Back on center.
And Murfreesboro traffic, helicopter 46 Alpha Echo, now about 2.5 miles to the southwest, 2000, southeast bound, looking for the traffic setting up for runway 36, Murfreesboro.
Hey guys, I got y'all in sight. Y'all are off, about to be off my right wing. Left wing, sorry, correction.
And 486 Alpha Echo, we don't have you in sight yet. We're still looking.
Murfreesboro traffic 734, Sierra Echo, clear of 36 Murfreesboro. Alright, flaps up. Windows open. Power heat off. Strobes off. Landing light off. Everything else is good. Trim set back for takeoff. Alright. Murfreesboro traffic, Skyhawk 734, Sierra Echo, taxiing from Alpha back to Murfreesboro Aviation, Murfreesboro.
I'd say taxiing on, because technically we're still on. We're not leaving it yet.
Oh, okay, sorry.
That's a really technical thing.
You are really technical.
You'd either say from Alpha 3, or you'd say on Alpha.